Tall, tall, tall. She is tall and can reach the top shelf easily. Short, short, short. He is short, but very quick and agile. Average height, average height, average height. She is of average height, neither too tall nor too short. Slim, slim, slim. She follows a healthy diet to stay slim. Plump, plump, plump. The baby has plump cheeks. Muscular, muscular, muscular. He works out regularly to keep his body muscular. Overweight, overweight, overweight. He is a bit overweight and plans to exercise more. Curly hair, curly hair, curly hair. She has beautiful curly hair that falls to her shoulders. Straight hair, straight hair, straight hair. He prefers to keep his straight hair short. Wavy hair, wavy hair, wavy hair. Her wavy hair looks great when she lets it down. Blonde hair, blonde hair, blonde hair. She has blonde hair that shines in the sunlight. Brunette, brunette, brunette. The actress is a natural brunette. Redhead, redhead, redhead. Being a redhead, her hair color is unique and eye-catching. Bald, bald, bald. He started going bald in his early 30s. Beard, beard, beard. He has a thick beard that gives him a rugged look. Mustache, mustache, mustache. His mustache is neatly trimmed. Wrinkle, wrinkle, wrinkle. She has a few wrinkles around her eyes when she smiles. Freckle, freckle, freckle. She has freckles across her cheeks and nose. Tan, tan, tan. After the beach vacation, she came back with a nice tan. Fair skin, fair skin, fair skin. He has fair skin that burns easily in the sun. Dark skin, dark skin, dark skin. She has naturally dark skin. Pale, pale, pale. She looks pale after staying indoors for a long time. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. She is a beautiful woman with a kind heart. Handsome, handsome, handsome. He is tall, dark, and handsome. Attractive, attractive, attractive. She has a very attractive smile. Charming, charming, charming. He is charming and has a way with words. Fit, fit, fit. He stays fit by exercising regularly. Elegant, elegant, elegant. She looked elegant in her evening dress. Ordinary, ordinary, ordinary. He has an ordinary appearance, but a unique personality. Pimple, pimple, pimple. He has a pimple on his forehead. Dimple, dimple, dimple. Her smile is beautiful with dimples on both cheeks. Ponytail, ponytail, ponytail. She usually wears her hair in a ponytail for school. Bangs, bangs, bangs. She just cut her bangs, and they look great on her. Glasses, glasses, glasses. He wears glasses to help him see better. Braces, braces, braces. She just got braces to straighten her teeth. Mole, mole, mole. She has a small mole on her left cheek. Scar, scar, scar. He has a scar on his hand from an old injury. Chubby, chubby, chubby. The baby has chubby cheeks that everyone loves. Skinny, skinny, skinny. He used to be very skinny as a teenager. Shapely, shapely, shapely. She has a shapely figure that looks great in dresses. Broad-shouldered, broad-shouldered, broad-shouldered. He is broad-shouldered and looks strong. Bushy eyebrows, bushy eyebrows, bushy eyebrows. He has bushy eyebrows that give him a serious look. Rosy cheeks, rosy cheeks, rosy cheeks. Her rosy cheeks make her look very healthy.